All right, so this is what I've been doing. I've been making beds, amending the soil, and as you can see here, I added quite a few more beds. I have, after these two here, I'm going to have 6 more beds to do, a total of 18, and we're going to go with that for now, 18 beds. See how that works out. Now, for those of you that don't follow my channel and are screaming right now and thinking, oh, you shouldn't be tilling, blah, 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 this and that. Look, if you have perfect soil, then fine, don't till. I don't have perfect soil, okay? I have it's got a lot of iron ore, a lot of clay, and it's very low in minerals. I did a mineral test, which I would advise everybody to do. And I'm going to put a link to that right here. Get your soil tested. I got mine tested. If you follow that link, I'll put it at the end of the video too, how to test your soil, where to test it, and the proper procedures that they use for testing is all in that video. But I got my soil tested, and at first I was going to do this whole 6,000, it was going to be a 6,000 square foot garden. But we decided, you know, we're not going to plant every square inch of this garden, so we decided to make beds instead. But anyways, I ordered minerals for 6,000 square foot garden. With the soil results I got, I ordered it was roughly 1,600 pounds of minerals and fertilizer and root starter, stuff like that for transplanting. But anyway, there was roughly 600 pounds of minerals, or 1,600 pounds of minerals, right? So I got plenty of it left. I figured out per bed it's 13.5 pounds per bed I got to sprinkle in here when I'm done here with the beds. Kind of work it in with a rake and my soil should be set. I put down here, you saw a tractor loader full of manure. I'm not sure how much is in there. That's it's got to be closer, about 6.5 feet wide roughly. But anyways, a load of horse manure, and I didn't have any compost. I've been trying to get some, but I got 5 bags of compost that I got from Lowell's, organic. And so I amended the soil. I'm going to put the minerals in it, and it should be good. I'm growing my garlic right here, as you can see, and they are rocking and rolling. They're doing good. I planted those in December, so we're in January now. It's been just over a month that I planted those, and they're doing really good. So hopefully this summer I'll have some nice garlic. But anyways, that's basically the thing with gardens, as you know, for all of you that are gardeners out there. I've been at the Back to Eden garden for 3 years, and it has produced 0 zilch for me. Now, does that mean it won't work? No, of course it'll work. For me here, it really doesn't make sense to do it because the soil is so bad. Maybe when I have that garden over there on the back of my property, maybe when that stuff really starts breaking down in a few more years, it might be okay. I might sprinkle some of those minerals in there, but I mean, I'm still going to use it. It's right now I'm going to be using it for potatoes and squash type vegetables and zucchini, things like that. They seem to do pretty good in there, but I will add minerals this time. So this way, we're going to be eating mineral-rich food, which will be very tasty, and that's what brings out the flavor in your vegetables. Anyways, it's the minerals in the soil. So amend your soil with some type of manure. Try to get organic if possible. Organic manure, compost, and by doing that, not only are you putting all that organic matter in there, you're not only putting organic matter in there, but the bacteria that go along with it. In the manures, in the compost, you have all that super rich bacteria that are in the soil eating the stuff up, and your roots of your plants have a symbiotic relationship with the bacteria, and they exchange, nutrition and minerals and back and forth. So that's the importance of having organic matter in your soil. All right, guys, so I've got to get back to work here. If you want to see how I made these beds, it's basically this procedure here. I'll put another link over here or at the end of the video on how I made the beds. And hopefully this 2019 year, I'm going to have a fantastic garden. at least better than I've had in the past with my Back to Eden garden. If I could do things over again, I would have done things differently, but that's how you learn, right? All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell, and it will tell you when a new video comes out. All right, so I will see you in the next video.